Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing out there? Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. My name is Leo Sotelo, and a while back, when I first started, I had this problem, so I want to make sure you don't have it. And if you're planning on starting your online business, this is a really powerful tool that you need to have. I wish I had this tool in the very beginning, but I didn't. So and stay through the video because I'm going to be showing some other sources you could go to pick up some free knowledge. If you want to make any investments, that's up to you. But if I'll show you the ones that I've invested in, and maybe they could help you out as well. So once you're on this journey, don't stop, because when you stop, it just don't nothing happens. Anyway, I want to talk to you about this book. You've seen it around. You probably seen other reviews on it. This is my own review, but I got some extra stuff I'm adding to it. So yeah, this guy right here, you probably seen him around. He's part of the ClickFunnels crew. And uh, and yeah, I mean, this book is what I like. It's about psychology. When you learn stuff like this, you learn the written words of stuff, that how to sell stuff through the written words, and it takes a while to learn actually. So when I first started, I did not have a book like this. I learned how to make landing pages before I learned copy, which sucked because when I would start marketing and this investment traffic I was getting, I started getting opt-ins. I started getting clients, customers, whatever you want to call them. I started getting them. My list started growing, but I didn't know how to email them. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to say. So when that happens, it really does suck because it holds your business back. And then what you come to find out is your sales copy, your content copy, whatever copy you're doing is not right. So I wanted to make this video real quick because this book right here, and I'm going to have this book in the link. It's a free book. If you're just starting, like I said, if you're just starting, I would reach down there and get it. There is an audio version. The problem with audio versions is that you can't really look and see what they're doing. In a book like this, this is one of those books that you want to actually sit down and read it. Or if you are able to grab a book like this as a ebook, and then you could put it into your Kindle, and then from your Kindle you can set your iPad, or if I don't know what you use, but I'm more of an Apple guy. If you use your iPad, you could let it read to you in case you're tired, whatever. You can have it read to you, and you can still pick up some of the headlines, the subject lines, a lot of the stuff they teach in here, because it is very important. It is very important to have. And like I said, I didn't have help. I didn't have nobody over my shoulder when I first started. I had to learn through a lot of trial and error, and that's what this channel is for. Hustle or struggle. You could hustle, and hopefully by the end you have no more struggle. You let me do the struggling. I'll teach you everything that I have done, so you don't have to struggle. So that's this book, and I have received a couple. I need to put it in a frame. Actually, this is from a copywriting course that I've taken. I've taken it, and it does take practice. Once I got this, it still took me time to practice, because um, it's just not, you don't, maybe you do, maybe you don't, but sometimes you don't pick up the skill right away. You got to learn how to just connect with people, just through words. Like let me show you real quick. Let me actually show you, because okay, this is the other copywriting. This is a boot camp. Now, once in a while you come to this website, learn.com. I am not promoting this, by the way. I do not have a link for it. I just want to show you of a lot of free courses where a lot of them are at, just in case you're out there, buying a course from here, buying a course from here, when a lot of these right here, as you can see, are free. So let me show you real quick, and hopefully they're not. Sometimes things are under construction on this website. And as for the boot camp, it's under construction right now. It's under construction. So let me go back over here and let me see. Some of you guys seen this guy around, Onik. I never met this guy personally, but I learned a lot from him. And is what these entrepreneurs teach. I mean, this guy teaches how to go from the. So some of you've seen the 4 quadrants, right? The employee, the what's that called? Small business, big business, and investor. Sometimes you got to jump through the hoops, but he teaches how to go from the employee mindset to the investor mindset. So that's what I picked up a lot from him, and I kind of knew some by now, but there was a lot I didn't know. When I first started, I didn't know anything. So let me just go to some of my courses right here. And I want to, since we're here, I might as well show you. I mean, look, a lot of these are free. So if you run into my channel and you're trying to help a friend or you guys are working together, please let them know about Hustle the Struggle channel. I got hustlethestruggle.com as well. And a lot of these are free. Let me see. Let me show you. Copywriting Academy. This is where I got my education from copywriting. I mean, he goes, and this is always updated. Let's see what he says right here. Let's see. Okay, he's made a lot of money doing this stuff. Of course, he's been doing it for about 17 years or so. So if you're just a rookie starting, there's nothing wrong with that. You started. You have a goal. You have a plan, and you stick to it. So yeah, they just recently updated this. So it has 249 students. I want to hit my thumbs up there. 250. Give it a thumbs up. And I have to refresh my mind and stuff, but there's a couple bonuses right here. I already done everything else. Now this course right here, it's an investment of like $175. You get more value out of it than you pay your dollars. Some people don't understand that. However, this book right here is a perfect place to start, and it's free. It's a free book. So accept the value of free. So after you read this book, though, I mean, this book is going to teach you about when you make your landing pages, when how to get your landing pages look. You know what? Let me show you one of my landing pages right here. This one actually, let me see. This page right here gets a lot of opt-ins, believe it or not. I get to the point real quick. The product that I'm promoting behind this is exactly what it says here. Exactly what it says here. People are using this education to build a legacy. And but you know what? If you run into this video, I will leave the link in the description below in case for somehow you want to get some free PDFs and check it out. This is like I said, it is what it says it is. It is to build a family legacy. So yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick of a quick sales page, or not sales page, a landing page. Get to the point. Boom, boom, boom. Get to the point. People's attention, they want it real quick. Like, what are they going to get if they opt in? And then you give them what you promised in the beginning. So, Copywriting Secrets, I would say it's a legit book. It's a legit book. Really amazing book. And like I said, if you're just starting out, if you're missing out on this book, if you're seeing it everywhere, you don't have to get it from my link if you don't want to. If you do, I do get what? I get $1, I think. But if you do get it through my link, great. If not, you see it floating around, I would get it. Because this is exactly what it says right here. Get more leads, sales, subscribers, and fans. You wanna just explode yourself out there. You wanna get it out there, and you wanna use this. You wanna get into people's minds on when they use their eyes just to look at something and it catches them. So that's what you want to do when you're doing this online business world. And let me show you back to the dashboard over here. Let me show you a bunch of this free stuff. This free stuff. Let me see. Like I said, I'm not promoting anything. I'm just giving you some free stuff, so you're not bouncing around finding course from course to course, and you're just kind of, eventually you want to invest in something from these guys. I recommend it. I really do. Um, Influencer Academy. This class right here is like, let me see, that's $400, but they got a free one. I'll show it to you in a second. That's a good book. Facebook Academy. I haven't got that, but I learned a lot of Facebook myself. How to build a website, build a blog. Free. I think all 5 of these are free. You just go in there and bust out your pen and pad, and start taking notes. Then apply everything you learned. Also, Crash, is it still available? Let me see. Maybe they're working on it. Maybe they're not. And it's here. And it's free. It is free. I've taken this. It's you'd be surprised in these modules right here. In just these few modules, it's a lot of stuff in there. A lot of strong content. Yeah, YouTube boot camp, Amazon boot camp, chat box. You want to do in your messenger. Some of these are motivation. Let's see. This is what I invested in right here. And what this has, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. It's just I learned a lot from there, and I did have one little issue, but I'm pretty sure by now the other company has fixed it. So I mean that was like over like probably like 2 years back or a year and a half ago. So but if you decide you want to invest in this, that's up to you. Circle of Profits book, Facebook boot camp, that's free. As you can see, free. A lot of these are free. Coaching consulting boot camp. What's trending? So copywriting. They got a couple Kindle courses. This one right here is like $700, but I heard it's really, really great. So that's up to you. You don't have to. There's a free one in here. They give you a lot of strategies you can do through Amazon Kindle, which I know some of it. I'm still working on that because I got a few books that I have, but let's see what other things in here are free. Money rules are free. This right here, badass. I could retake the course if I like. I finished it. Badass class. Let me see if it's still available. They're not working on it. And they're not. It's good. It's good to go. Let's see what else. What else can I show you guys and girls out there that you might like? Let's see. LinkedIn marketing was $30. Not much. Some of these, like I said, are small investments with powerful knowledge. See right there, Kindle Publishing, free. It's a free course. It already has 51,500 students. That's a lot of people. So, Passion to Profit, I think that's that. It's a free ebook, I think. Or, I guess they got some courses on it. I haven't been here yet. There's a lot of things in this site I haven't been to, but I don't want to take up too much of your time. You kind of get the point. Just come in here. I'm sorry if I took too much of your time. This book right here is really helpful. It's free book. So go ahead and get it. Get your copy of your copywriting secrets. And if you liked anything in this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and notification button, because I'm going to be making some more videos of a lot of stuff that I went through that I struggled with, so you don't have to do it. And what else was I going to say? Go ahead and share with a few friends. I'm working on building this channel up, and hopefully it goes viral. If not, well, I'm still going to be making a lot of stuff. So, because I enjoy doing this. Have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Bye.